Assalamualaikum. This is their pyramid type, and Alhamdulillah, look at the patula. It's growing, mashallah. See, oh, it's growing. It's growing. So a lot of them are growing, and also the squash are very healthy. Alhamdulillah. These are the squash. And this, a lot of them are growing, mashallah. Growing. This, all are squash here. Squash. Spring onions, lemongrass, turmeric, and the chilies are growing so fast in this area.